As married couple, it's gonna be our 19 years on the 20th. So January 20 yung original wedding date namin.
First wedding, sobrang saya. Simple, pero sobrang masaya. Kasi lahat ng mga importante at mahal namin sa buhay nandun, kahit na simpleng celebration lang. Memorable, sobrang memorable. And ngayon, na-decide namin na mag-renewal kasi gusto namin maulit yun. And at the same time, dahil mas marami na kaming nakilala, mas nagkaroon din ng influence sa buhay namin. So we wanted to share again this very happy moment with them.
Sa unang tingin, agad na nahumaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata.
Ako talagang napansin kay Ryan is his smile. So dati, hindi ko pa siya napapansin. Pero nung first time ko siya nakita nag-smile, yun na yun.
Hindi ko mawari ang taglay mong tinatangi.
Actually, first date namin yun. Birthday niya, sakto. And sobrang saya. And naisip ko na kagad na siya na yung gusto kong pakasalan.
Very very suplado. So, hindi siya masyado nagsismile. Pero nung nag-smile siya, yun. So, his smile, at saka, he's the, kindest person I know. Tsaka nag-pray ako ng bonggang-bongga. Sabi ni Lord, ang kulit nito. Sige na nga.
I hope you guys live a happy, beautiful life.
Wow.
And I love you.
Thank you. Love you.
Last year, he proposed again. So this is exactly today, 1 year after he proposed again.
Same feeling, pero mas masaya dahil mas maraming mahal sa buhay na kasama. Before, nandun yung kaba, ngayon, more of excitement kasi we know that we're gonna have fun today because we've planned something very happy and festive. Salamat sa sa amin, pagtaguyod sa amin, kahit mag-isa ka lang.
It's okay.
Ingatan nyo, pati na ang inyong mga anak. Walang perpektong mag-asawa, pero yung konting differences na yun ay nare-repair.
Para bang sumasang-ayon sa atin ang kalawakan.
Lagi niyong tandaan na andito lang kami lagi nila Kuya Min para suportahan kayo. Love you both.
The 19-year anniversary as a couple is amazing. Your strong relationship enables you to face anything with patience and perseverance. Keep the communication up and running. The goal is connection, not correction.
May the love that brought them together grow and mature with each passing year. Bring them both closer to you, Lord, through their love for each other. Let their love continue to grow to perfection. If we love one another, God abides in us, and His love is perfected in us. This is the mission of our love.
nang dadahin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng
I am still and will forever be greatly in love with you. You are my heart, my soul, my forever love.
Thank you for being our rock, the best dad, and my perfect partner. I am so excited to step into this next chapter with you, and I love you so much.